Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at White Kingsland. Perched up high on the top floor of 83 New North Road, this north-facing apartment is something very special. Spectacular views stretching from the Waitakere Ranges to the sparkling city skyline, you'll love spending your evenings watching the most beautiful sunsets from this privileged position. Just a few minutes walk from the vibrant Kingsland village or the uptown cafes and restaurants, you've got everything this up and coming area has to offer at your fingertips. Make sure you come along on the weekend, we know it's going to be popular and you have to see for yourselves.